Today I'm on Gloucester Street, situated in the heart of Taunton town centre, showcasing this 3-bedroom end of terrace property. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. If you're interested in arranging a viewing on this property, or indeed a valuation of your own home, then please do get in touch.